A mother's dupatta, a grandmother's sari. These clothes are not just a fabric for any girl, it is an emotion. For us women, clothes are a way to express how we are and how we feel in that particular moment. It is a way for us to express what we are feeling inside. For example, when we are sad, our hands automatically go towards the dull colors. And when we are happy, we choose bright colors. That is how a woman expresses her emotions through the clothes she wears. Today, we are going to meet a woman who weaves this emotion into every fabric that she designs. 25 years of experience, and today we meet Sabah Khan. Sabah Khan from Sabzar.
Assalamu alaikum.
Assalamu alaikum.
Walaikum salam.
How are you, ma'am, today?
I'm good. How are you?
I'm great too. It is an honor having you on Noor of Hyderabad.
Thank you so much. I really appreciate it. Even I'm honored.
Thank you.
Story behind this. Actually, I have my cousin. She also does the same thing. I mean, she's quite established from Kolkata. She does it online. Her name is Zareen. So, I and Zarina, we are very close to each other. So we thought that we'll do it together. In fact, it was more of me who wanted to do it with her. So I told her कि चलो we'll do this कि मेरा नाम आधा और आपका नाम आधा लेके
Mashallah.
we will make it Sabzar. So it came out Sabzar. But then I started feeling that I'm not justifying this. I mean, she's an established person and I was, getting back to it. So I thought कि even my son said कि mama, this is not good. I mean, इतने established है और आपको तो even Instagram के followers नहीं है अभी. So you have to first make yourself, then you join with Khala. So I said yes. So उसके बाद then we thought about it and I discussed it with Zarina. I said, chalo, even I'll develop my followers and then later on we'll see that we do it together. But then the name was so beautiful. So I started, searching what does it actually mean. So then I came to know that Sabzar is everlasting and evergreen, long lasting and evergreen. So that's how it came up.
Mashallah. Beautiful story.
Thank you
Beautiful
so
story.
much.
So Sabzar came to you like a
Yes.
flow.
Yes.
Mashallah. I would want to ask you, ma'am, what does your mother's dupatta mean to you? When was the first time that you held a fabric or your mother's clothes and felt a connection with it?
I think my mother's dupatta was a world to me. I mean, actually, my mother's name is Shaheen Shah. She belongs to Hyderabadi Nawabi family, that is the Paigas. So she's a very grand lady. And her, her dressing sense and everything is like next level. So whatever I used to take it as a child from her and I used to feel it, I used to drape myself. And it was like, I knew that following her footsteps in dress designings and everything, it's going to, I had it in my, actually, I have it in my genes right now. So that is how I felt
Any
her
emotional
dupatta.
moment or
Like
the time when
yeah.
you must have worn it, looked yourself in the mirror and
Actually, she gave me a lot of opportunities like that because she has lovely collections. She used to, wear Christian Dior satins and French chiffons, and she was so much into sequins and zari, zardozi, and all these sort of fabrics. So every fabric I used to feel, I used to touch, I used to wear. So it was like I used to enjoy her wardrobe.
so
Yeah.
you literally weave emotions
Yes.
into your clothes.
Yes. 100%.
And what inspired you into this fashion industry, into this
I think when I
business?
was in my college days, my mom used to have a boutique in Hyderabad. So whenever I used to come back from my college, I used to actually manage that boutique. So since then, I had this dream that, I just want to do fashion designing and I want to actually professionalize myself into it. And then I'll represent as first, I had many dreams. So I thought, yeah, I'll go to Bombay and I'll become a proper designer. But then again, in Hyderabad, we get that time, especially Shadi Ho Jana was the biggest dream of everyone in our house. So I got married at an early age. And then it all ended with the kids and everything. But I was lucky enough that my husband, he actually saw this potential in me, and he said, don't, give it up. Continue karo, jo bhi karna hai, jaisa bhi karna hai. So I used to, like, after 5 years of my marriage, I started doing all this wedding attires and all for Canada, America, Dubai, where my family lives there.
Okay.
So they used to actually give me the orders, and I used to do it. But then
Designing
again,
for them.
yeah, designing for them, and I used to enjoy. I used to get some new orders from our friends also from Vancouver, and I kept on doing it. But then again, life is too busy, and my children were growing up, and I had to, sit with them, teaching them, and वो अलग
Yeah,
चल रहा था.
absolutely.
So then finally at one point I had to stop all this.
Okay.
Then COVID came, and then
Okay.
again I thought, नहीं, अब ऐसा तो दुनिया नहीं चलने वाली है. I'll do something to keep myself busy. So I started Sabah's Signature.
Okay.
So, but then again, I didn't carry it out too good, helping him.
Okay.
But then that also ended up, एक आया चले गया एक phase. Then again, like more two family members of mine, they also do this.
Okay.
So then I thought she's really doing it good, and even I should give it a try, because usually when I was on my off days, zyada se zyada log, they were telling ki, why have you stopped? We want to wear your collection in Hyderabad. And I was like, moreover ki nahi, meko sirf bahir hi kar rahi thi main. I
Okay.
didn't know ki I can do this over here
In
also.
Hyderabad audience, for
Or
Hyderabad people
for
as well.
Hyderabad audience and people. Then one fine day, I felt ki nahi, chalo, ab time aa gaya, even I'll start and see. But I mean, I'll tell you later on. You keep on asking. Chalo.
मैम, would I be wrong if I say कि हर कामयाब आदमी के पीछे एक औरत का हाथ होता, लेकिन आपकी कामयाबी के पीछे आपके हस्बैंड यानी एक मर्द का हाथ है?
Maybe yes. Yes. Because
You are so lucky to have a supportive husband.
Thank you so much. And actually, I made him more supportive, because once your husband gains confidence in you, then he is in with you. So, like, that is the most important thing. Yani, you cannot always expect कि ऐसा शादी होते ही your husband has to be with you. Like nowadays in this generation, everyone feels कि शादी होते ही your life has to change. So
Yes.
I really don't think that way. You have to give a lot of time in your marriage, and you should gain that respect and your confidence with your husband. Then you get automatically things.
The path will be paved.
Yeah. Allah helps you in that, और आपका रास्ता खुद अल्लाह ताला बना देते हैं.
So true. मैम, हैदराबादी फैशन को अगर अपन लेंगे, जैसे कि it has its own fingerprint. For example, the khara dupatta, the peshwas, the gararas, the Royal Nizami couture of Hyderabad. Do you think it is still valued in this present day and age, where fast fashion and Gen Z vibes are going on, and people just want to switch? What is your take on this?
I think yes, still it is continuing, but people actually don't know what they are wearing.
Okay.
I mean, they are just getting the things from, I mean, this is traditional wear, like
Influenced by what they are seeing.
yeah, they are like, ये खड़ा दुपट्टा है, ये गरारा है, ये पिशवास है. It's like that. कि you have to wear it, but they don't know how to wear it.
Okay.
So they are keeping on, I mean, obviously changes are coming. So they are changing according to the times, but they still want to preserve their traditional wear, but not the traditional look.
Yeah.
Yeah. So I feel, yes, in a way, I mean, like the pishwas first, like my great grandmothers and all, they wore pishwas with a 6 meter long dupatta.
Okay.
Nowadays, they are only going with 3 meters, and they feel it's light, it's nice. So that's how, I have to cope up with it. I have made a 6 meter long dupatta, but people are more like customizing me with a 3 meter long dupatta. So anyhow, I still have, like, I know that particular people will come who will, value the tradition, then definitely they will ask for that. So,
but the trend more is going towards,
yeah, that's what as I told you.
They want modernization in the
yeah,
authenticity.
They want the traditional wear, but not the traditional look.
How
And
do you deal with it, ma'am?
I'm dealing with them because they are customizing and like I'll tell you one thing, like jab na bachchi used to be like around 12, 13 or 14 or 16 bolo, like a teenager, huh? तो खड़ा दुपट्टा जब बनाते थे उसके लिए तो होता है ये था कि कलीदार बनता था, ढीला बनता था, बिल्कुल लूज फिटिंग. Nowadays people are wearing dupattas which are fitting. वो दुपट्टा जब बनता था तो she used to wear it till she used to become a grandmother maybe.
Okay.
इतना लंबा इतना लूज बनाते थे. आई मीन नीज के नीचे भी दे यूज्ड टू ऑलमोस्ट टेक 10 to 12 inches long. They used to make it really loose, like it used to continue, and then that dupattas used to pass on through generations and generations.
Absolutely.
Like I, in my wedding, I wore a traditional khada dupatta which is made of sancha, which was worn by my great grandmother-in-law.
Mashallah.
Then I passed it to my daughter-in-law. Of course कि जरा थोड़ा बिसक गया था and all, लेकिन still I mean they were able to wear it because size को change नहीं कर सके,
Absolutely.
उसकी लंबान change नहीं कर सके, तो it used to actually fit in every way. आजकल they just want to buy, wear and throw it. They don't want to repeat it. So this is a generation change. So maybe we have to deal with it.
Can you discuss about any specific karigar or who has worked with you, or a tailor, or where a particular craft has inspired you? For example, zardozi हो गए या दबका हो गया, जो अपने ट्रेडिशनल कपड़ों में बहुत ज्यादा यूज होता, उसकी ऑथेंटिसिटी मेंटेन करने के लिए, और एक कारीगर की कोई स्टोरी, कोई टेलर की कोई स्टोरी जो आपको याद रह गई.
First of all, though, it is only Afzal Mia Karchopale, which has been with us since, a long, long time. When my mother also started doing this, she used to wear it. My grandmothers used to wear with Afzal Mia. So we are more inspired by him, and we want to see a touch of him and his influence in each and every, things. So unki har kahi hui baat is like it is in my mind still. So the main bade Afzal Mia the, so he was like an inspiration. So we followed them, and he used to make everything for me for my mom. So moreover, उनकी जब जो भी वो बोलते थे, तो I have so many things in my mind, but actually, like moreover at that time, Zardozi was not the only option.
Okay.
Basically, people used to enjoy their wares even with a normal masala. So lot of lumpy and barik ribbons के काम ज़्यादा आता था. So like right now, Zardozi, I'm doing it on customization, but still I'm creating the masalas and I'm putting it with lumpies and all. So that is the trend I'm following, which I have got it. People जिनको मेरा different दिख रहा काम, it is only because of that, because I've started putting a lot of masala work also, and Zardozi को मैं थोड़ा side aside करी हुई हूँ because it is like okay, bridal wear and everything, and again I have to repeat, just I mean this is my take, maybe I might be wrong in this. The thing is, like nowadays the generation, like especially the Gen Z, you could say, they just wear it and they don't want to repeat
it. Absolutely.
Yeah, and Zardozis are very expensive.
Yes.
Okay, even masala work is expensive, लेकिन ये कुछ ज़्यादा ही expensive है, which they don't want to repeat. So what is the use when you're going to some XYZ wedding? You can't always afford to wear उतना expensive. So it is better, like I had mentioned in one of my stories, कि like बेगानी शादी में अब्दुल्ला दीवाना क्यों बनना जब सब्जर है ना. So I mean I'm very affordable even for customization. You can wear it then, because it's not going to, I mean you can actually match it with the Zardozi and see you will be the center of attraction. So I am doing that right now because अपने बचपन में, like मेरे बचपन में especially, people used to, they didn't waste too much on money. Okay, on clothes. मतलब clothes पे उन लोग ज़्यादा खर्चा नहीं करते थे, तो ना वही पहनते थे जो afford करते थे, and it was good.
Right.
Now people are wasting too much of money on clothes.
Yes.
So I don't feel good. So, but still I have another option for that. I'll discuss it
Inshallah.
with you later. Yeah.
Inshallah. So is this a business model for you, or is this a rescue mission for the tradition to preserve the heritage and culture of Hyderabad?
I think it's both. I think it's both. Because like you have to, preserve the culture and tradition. Then only Hyderabad, like it is known for its biryani, will be known for our traditional clothes also.
माशाल्लाह. एंड मैम जैसा रिसेंट हम देखे थे ये अंबानी की वेडिंग में, जैसा मनीष मल्होत्रा जब डिजाइन कर रहे थे खड़ा दुपट्टा, जैसा नीता अंबानी भी जी भी पहने थे खड़ा दुपट्टा हैदराबाद का, वहां पर भी अफजल मियाँ खारचोब वालों का नाम आया था.
Exactly.
तो क्या ये वही अफजल मियाँ खारचोब वाले हैं जिनकी आप बात कर रहे हैं?
Yes. Because जो उन्होंने जो काम करते थे ना, वो
ऑथेंटिक
ऑथेंटिक डिजाइनिंग ऑफ हैदराबाद. और उनके काफी जो उनके लड़के थे खालिद मियाँ, ही सेटल्ड इन दुबई. आई हर्ड ही इज नॉट डूइंग इट. ही वाज रियली नाइस.
मैम क्या आपको ये टेंशन रहती है इफ यू चेंज टू लिटिल द लुक्स विल लुक रिपीटेड, बट इफ यू चेंज टू मच it won't have the authenticity what you were actually trying to create? So have you faced this creators or designers dilemma?
You see, I give my clients a lot of time in discussing, in उन लोगों को समझाती हूँ मैं कि this is to be worn like this. You cannot completely change it. तो I always उन लोगों को एडवाइस कर लेते हैं, and they are very cooperative, and even I cooperate a lot with them. So I give all my clients at least like 3 to 4 days before taking it to the final stage. So in fact उन लोगों को भी थोड़ा बहुत knowledge रहती है, as I told you, कि like they want to wear traditional but they want to change the look, right?
Okay.
तो हो जाता उन लोगों से, they don't want to change it, हो जाता lack of knowledge. So there comes my work. Yani I, discuss with them. I advise them. I tell them, no, you're not supposed to wear it like this. You have to go like this. So they agree with it. So they are totally dependent at that time on me, and they give me my space, my liberty. So then the final touches I do, and I finish it really good. Like वो जो जो हर कोई नहीं करता, then वो final touches because I become so happy that they have actually given it to me 100%. मेरे हिसाब से चल रहा, so I definitely give them the tradition. I don't change it.
Can you tell us about your first customer, their experience? Were they from a family member or anyone from outside? And you remember the memories? Let us just bring back the memories.
Yeah, it was actually my khala from Canada. Her son was getting married. So she was, she gave me 100% liberty, 100%. She told me that I have to make all the dresses for the bride and everyone in the family, including the men. So I had got the complete wedding trousseau order. So there it was like, it was my first order, and I was like, crazily I went into it. मैं इतना
Exciting.
everything, यहाँ तक के like माधुरी दीक्षित का वो जो मूवी आया था मार डाला, तो they wanted to wear that dress.
Okay.
So actually I made that for the bride for her walima.
Wow.
And it turned out to be really beautiful. And like Canada in those days, उनका ने इतना यहाँ से हैदराबाद से जाता भी था तो आउटडेटेड जाता था. तो whatever we used to have it here जब फैशन में, तो according to that, ahead of that, उन लोगों के लिए मैं इतना अच्छा करी थी और reasonable कि it was like my, I mean, she was very happy. Her children were very happy. The Dulhan called me. She was a Pakistani. She actually told thanks to me for making her day so beautiful. So I really remember. Then I had one more client in Vancouver. They were Punjabis. So उनके लिए भी मेरे को एक अनारकली बनाना था. It was like on the same track like Mardala. So those days, I mean, she wore it for a wedding. हालांकि I was planning कि भाई normal, it was a normal way, but it turned out to be so beautiful that she had to wear on her wedding day.
So
So that,
designing is
yeah,
coming naturally to you.
yes. So I mean, I didn't have to give too much,
To effort
but
to
it was really becoming, you know, a beautiful dress.
beautiful.
So the Alhamdulillah, like
This particular story inspired you to continue in it.
definitely
It was a
after,
push.
yeah, after that it was a push, and then I started getting orders abroad. So like in you know, what happened was कि अगर if I would have continued, तो मैं बहुत बहुत ज्यादा आगे निकल जाती होती. लेकिन as I told you कि you know, I had my own you know, busy with my
आपके
children.
स्ट्रगल्स बताइए
हाँ,
मैम, आपके स्ट्रगल्स बताइए
struggle
कि
ज्यादा.
एक औरत अगर बिजनेस में जाना चाह रहे तो क्या क्या फेजेस से, क्या क्या स्ट्रगल्स से गुजरती.
I don't think so. औरत को कुछ ज्यादा struggle करना पड़ता, because everything is in your head. If you want to do something, you do it. If you don't want to do something, you don't do it. तो मेरे लिए तो like I'm pure Taurian. तो मेरे लिए I'm like, अगर मेरे को वो होना है तो होना है, अगर नहीं होना है तो नहीं होना है, और अगर कुछ होना है तो no one can stop it. That's it. तो struggle उतनी खास नहीं रही. It was only like I had to be on my feet whenever I used to get orders and
Managing
all, managing,
home
because I do
responsibilities,
it
children,
alone.
family.
Yes, so I have to take care of the, you know, house, and then again my business. So utni struggle to hai, you know, for an uh, entrepreneurs, businesswomen, itna to rehta hai, anyone. So just it came like that.
We have to be ready,
We have to be ready. We have
packed
to
up.
be, yes. You have to completely do your work. Then you have to change yourself into business.
Do you
That's it.
think it will be an added responsibility on women as compared to men?
No, because I think women can take a lot,
So
which
you,
men cannot.
okay.
Yes. So the
So you think our threshold is more,
100%.
so we
We
can
manage
manage both.
everything. Yes. बस सिर्फ मैं बोल रही हूँ ना, यहाँ पे रहना है. Like अगर if you want to do, कोई बहाना नहीं है. We do it. We crazily do it. If we don't want to do, then starts
We give
the,
reasons to ourselves.
yes, that is to ourselves, not to anyone else, because no one is actually interested. They are interested that we are happy, and what we are doing is we are doing it 100%.
Ma'am, one advice if you would give to your younger self after experience of so many years, if you would go back to day one, and one particular advice if you would give it to yourself.
As I told you कि रुकना नहीं कभी भी. जो मैं रुकी वो I'm not going to repeat again.
Okay.
So like obviously now I have started, I'll tell you, which I wanted to tell you, I have started this a little late, but Alhamdulillah, I'm coming up, I'm establishing myself very well. And but still, you know, a lot of competition is going on, and matlab, everyone has it, even I'm having it. But this is not the end. From here, I'm going to have one more domain for myself very soon, before Dasera or Diwali maybe, inshallah, which will be like open to all. I mean, it's not going to be customization. It is going to be just walk in and add to cart and take it. So that is going to be a total different online store.
Can you please tell in detail about this venture, next
Okay.
thing that you're going?
The
ahead.
thing is, like I'm doing this customization. Lot of competition, as I told you. People want the best, but in very low price. So that isn't possible to anyone.
Wouldn't do justice to the
Yeah, you can't.
real
I mean,
thing.
if you want the real traditional work, you need to put in money also.
Yes,
जितना आप पैसा डालेंगे उतनी चीज उभर के आएंगी.
absolutely.
चाहे वो मसाला रहो, लंपी रहो, जरदोजी का काम रहो, चमकी का काम रहो, you know, everything takes money. So but people, they want it, but they don't want to spend too much. If they want to come to you, they want to, you know, survey all the others, and then they come to you
Absolutely.
कि भाई यहाँ पे ये मिल रहा, वहाँ पे ये मिल रहा. So for them, I am, you know, like launching one more site where it's going to be like a e-commerce site, okay? And you'll get it at your doorstep. You'll get it in within, like the khada dupattas. What I have decided is कि I'll try to get it in within 10,000 over there.
Okay.
So it's going to be, of course, the runnings also, as well as my designing, which I'm going to put it cheaper.
Yeah.
So if you want to pick it up from there, it's your wish. If you want to customize it, come to me, to Sabzar by Sabah Khan's website. Otherwise, go to Sabzar Bazaar and pick it from there. So you'll have a multiple of choice, the commercial and the customization and expensive. So it depends on you. So there I'm getting, maybe I'll be getting the whole entire Charminar online to your doorstep. So this is my next
Charminar on your phone now.
yes on my website, that is Sabzar Bazaar. So just wait and watch, inshallah.
Inshallah. Designer के पास एक अपना secret closet है. So do you have any secret pieces या designer pieces in your closet? You
Yes.
are preserving for the next generation.
Yes.
खुद आके रखे कि पहने तो खराब हो जाते, लेकिन जो बहुत ज्यादा इमोशनली वैल्यूएबल रहते अपने लिए.
नहीं, अब में एक ही कल्चर चला. हमारे नानियां दादियां उनके भावों को दिए, वो भवा अपने बच्चों, वो बच्चे अपने बच्चों को. 100% क्लोजेट में तो वैसे ही चीजा रखे हुए, ऑल इन सांचास, कुर्ती चोलीज, पिशवास, ये सब रखा हुआ. तो ऑब्वियसली इट्स नॉट लाइक, इट्स नथिंग एज अ सीक्रेट और आई एम नॉट हाइडिंग इट, बट that is my take now कि I have to pass on to my next generation. तो उसके लिए we have to maintain it, we have to really see that it is not being, decay नहीं हो रहा, उस पे कुछ भी नहीं हो रहा. It requires effort. You have to actually guard them. It's not like today कि आज लिए कल फेंक दिए and कल है सो भावों को हम ये नहीं पिनाने वाले हैं, नया जाके मनीष मल्होत्रा कल आने वाले हैं. So it's not like that, because even though we can go for Manish Malhotra, everyone can go for Manish Malhotra, but still if you want
ट्रेडिशनल
हाँ,
पीस रहना
अपना
अपने पास.
ट्रेडिशनल पीस जो अपने रॉयल फैमिली से चल लेते आ रहा, तो वो तो रहना जरूरी है. तो यहाँ पे आई कैन से कि फॉर दैट यू शुड हैव वन पीस ऑफ सब्जर इन योर कॉल.
मैम, अगर आप एक डिजाइनर नहीं रहते तो फिर नेक्स्ट प्लान भी क्या था?
Yes, I'm very,
different-
I love
different
doing different things. I love, I'm very ambitious. I love changes. I adapt changes, and I think मैं कुछ भी रह सकती थी. यानी I wouldn't have given up. I think no one should give up in their lives. The reason is कि even your, in your 50s, in your 60s, you should keep continuing yourself, because Allah can bless you in your field, in your ambitions, He can bless
in ways we cannot imagine.
at any time. आप इतना करो कि आप अपने efforts लगाओ. आप don't give up. That's it. हारो मत जिंदगी से, because आप कभी भी को वो actually you should be strong enough. You're going to do that, and Allah will guide you. You ask help from Allah. Allah will guide you, and Allah will take you places where you can't even imagine where you're going to land. So मैं जब 50 ऐसा होने वाली थी, तो
अभी recently celebrate
तो I told my children, I'm going to do vlogging, or I'm going to do it on YouTube, and उसका वो रहने वाला है कि life begins from 50. इन लोग बोले मम्मी नहीं बिल्कुल नहीं करेंगे. ऐसा क्यों? I'll show, because मैं बहुत फिट थी, मैं जिम जा रही थी, मैं हर चीज कर रही थी. तो मैं बोली कि it's going to be like an inspiration. I'm going to do this, and I'm going to cover everyone. See, I'm busy, I have not retired. So people don't have to think like
you should share your experience. I am saying you should share your experience with the next generation, because I take so much inspiration from you. Warm you are, welcoming.
Like you. Thank you so much. It's an honor. Like actually मेरा Instagram also, like people around are saying you're disturbing your Instagram page. You're putting things like your old your photos and your happenings. So don't do this. You must keep it professionalized. I said I can't do this. Actually I had totally given it up few days back. I said I'm feeling bored because मेरे को नहीं हो रहा है, because I am a little happening person. I go to events, I go to weddings, I have a lot of social gatherings. So I said nahi, if I want to have my page, I'm not going to make it different. I want people to realize that this is coming from me, this is coming from the royal family, this is coming from a happening person, and definitely she's going to justify in all her designings. It's not, and I am not here for money. Basically, one thing, let me make it clear. people are coming here for competitions, for copies, to earn money. Basically, Allah has given me a lot to me, my husband, my children, we all are settled. So, like, I don't want, I mean, the main thing is, I don't want over money. I don't want to loot people. I just want to come, if anyone like my client preserve the culture. And I want people to enjoy my dressing. Like, if someone comes to me, auntie, my price is like, I want a bridal wear in 50,000. Is it possible? Like all the lumpies and all. I said, yeah, okay, it is not possible, but let me try. उनके budget में करेंगे. Then I go back and I feel कि नहीं, I should do it to her. Because she's so sweet and she's trusted me. She's coming to me. So I won't let her go off like that so easily. So मैं उन लोगों को like, with ghungat, I gave them in 50 also. So, and I mean, and it turned out to be a beautiful piece. I mean, I have it on my Instagram, the red one.
आप अपने आप को कैसा डिस्क्राइब करेंगे? बहुत पर्टिकुलर है आप कोई चीज के बारे में? सपोज आप एक कोई चीज दे रहे हैं कोई कारीगर को डिजाइन करने के लिए, तो आपके जैसे एंड रिजल्ट्स आपसे वो आए जब तक उनके पीछे पड़ जाते हैं, या नहीं उनको भी अपने क्रिएटिव लिबर्टी देते?
नहीं, मैं बिल्कुल नहीं देती उन लोगों को क्रिएटिव लिबर्टी. मैं उन लोगों के पीछे पड़े हुए फोन करती हूँ, उन लोगों को बताते रहो बोलती हूँ. फिर मैं जाती हूँ, कुछ चीज समझ में नहीं आई तो उसको मैं ठीक कराती हूँ. और तो भी अगर उन लोग, अगर मैं जो चाह रही हूँ तो फिर मैं मेरे हाथ से करती हूँ. बिकॉज आई नो हाउ टू स्टिच. बिकॉज यू नो, लाइक एज आई टोल्ड यू, माई मदर हैड अ बुटीक. So there I have learned all the skills of, you know, the sewing.
So you having the perfection.
Yeah, I know how to machine चलाना आता मेरे को, needle चलाना आता. तो I get that final touch with my own hands, which I don't even give to my karigars, because that's what
You are
Sabzar
weaving your love.
Sabzar should have that final creativity with Sabah Khan only. So I can't even, you know, share it with my tailors and as well as my karigars.
So the reins are in your hands.
Yeah, the final touches are in my hands.
सही में तो बुरा दिखता मैम आपके डिजाइन जो आप इतनी मेहनत से डिजाइन करते इतने इमोशंस के साथ, और 2 मिनट में कॉपी, आपको कैसा फील होता?
As I told you again, copy होते, but sometimes I take it in a good vibe. I said, because Allah has given me that talent, कि people are copying me. That is the main important.
That is an honor.
That is an honor. I take it this way. And sometimes what happens is, still they can't copy me, because as I told you, Sabzar is in Sabah Khan's hands. Alhamdulillah. Like, वो फाइन ट्यूनिंग इज इन माय हैंड्स. तो आप लोग वैसी चीजें नहीं ला सकते इतनी आसानी से. Like the detailing works and my ideas, that remains with me. So yes, I take it very boldly. Chalo karo copy. Next, it's going to be, yani, as I told you, much better version will come out.
Anything you want to add, ma'am? Not just to your customers, but whoever is seeing your podcast, whoever is seeing your Instagram, whoever is seeing you as a person.
Yeah, I have to tell them, first of all, so I feel, even though I'm doing this business, but I feel कपड़ों पे इतना पैसा मत खर्च करो जितना आजकल हो रहा. तो पहनो, रीजनेबल पहनो, एंड जस्टिफाई ये करो कि आप कुछ कपड़े खरीद रहे हैं, तो whether it fits your bill, it should fit in your bill, right? So the thing is, like, spend it, but don't extraordinarily spend it, because they are, you know, clothes. ना वो सांचा है जो आपको जनरेशन ना जनरेशंस को पास करना है, आपके है सो नानी दादी के चीज़ा, ना कुछ ऐसा है कि वो कपड़ा is going to last till with the other generation. क्योंकि आजकल तो वैसे कोई रखना नहीं चाह रहे इतना लंबा. तो फिर जब इतना लंबा रखना नहीं चाह रहे हैं, तो you know, basically go for a good stuff in affordable prices.
Don't burn your money.
Don't burn your money. I don't think so that is the right thing what this generation is doing. So, but still, they are very smart. They are actually smart. They are doing this, but still they are going to Amazon, Flipkarts, Meeshos. They are doing that also. So, I mean, when you're doing that for your casual ways, why aren't you doing it for your party ways, for your bridal ways? You don't have to, because that's only a matter of 1 day, 2 day. Then you put it in your wardrobe. So I don't think so that could be, I mean, that is proper. Do things which comes in your range. Or one more important thing is, like, this is where I feel that I am launching this second store of mine, that is Sabzar Bazaar, where you will get everything in more affordable prices, like a use and throw, like Amazon and Flipkarts, Meeshos के prices को, कि वो actually आप लोग मजा आ जाएगा उसमें. इंशाल्लाह. Like even the खड़ा दुपट्टास, आप मेरे को ये बोलो, like only you get the local stuff, right? You get the local stuff in 6,000, 7,000, 5,000. I won't give you that. I'll give you my designing,
The touch of royals.
touch of royals, which I'm not going to change much. उसमें मैं है सो कोशिश ये
Affordable pricing.
करूंगी कि start on I'm going to do it from maybe 8,000. I have listed it yet. 8,000, बहुत से बहुत 10,000. But then you'll get all the men's wear, the आपके है सो children's wear, kids wear, पूरे शेरवानीज एंड हैदराबादी शेरवानीज, हैदराबादी खड़ा दुपट्टास, गरारास, जो आपको लाइक यू आर गेटिंग इट. देखो, यू हैव टू एक्चुअली अलग करो. आपको कुछ कस्टमाइज करना है तो वो अलग चीज है. आप कस्टमाइजेशन से एक्सपेक्ट मत करो कि आपको ये रेट में मिलेगा. ये तो फिर अगेन यू हैव टू गो टू ओल्ड सिटी, हीरो, पेट्रोल वेस्ट करो, एंड देन यू गेट द क्वालिटी की गारंटी नहीं है. ऐसी क्वालिटी उठा के ला लो. इफ यू वांट दैट क्वालिटी, आई विल आल्सो गिव यू इन माय अदर स्टोर. सो फर्स्ट, whatever you want, first make up your mind. Either it is customization.
सांचा क्या है आप?
सांचा is a pure fabric. आपके है सो उन लोग कपड़ा बनाते थे गोल्ड एंड सिल्वर थ्रेड्स के साथ. तो अगर लिटरली अगर आप उसको लेके अगर आप उसको मेल्ट करें तो उसमें से आपको लाइक एक चाय का चमचा, एक टेबल स्पून, आपको चांदी नहीं. और अगर वो सोने का रहता था प्योर, तो उसमें है सो थोड़ा सोना भी यूजुअली तो में रहती थी, लेकिन बहुत कम. मोस्ट रॉयल फैमिलीज जैसा निजाम है एंड बड़े बड़े पायगा फैमिलीज के जो अमीरीज आते थे, अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह वी बिलोंग टू दैट. माय हस्बैंड बिलोंग्स टू द अमीर पायगा. ही इज द अमीर पायगा ऑफ खुर्शीद जाही. तो ही इज द एल्डेस्ट राइट नाउ टू द हेयर. तो ये लोगों के पास गोल्ड में तो चांदी थी, लेकिन गोल्ड भी यूज होता था चीजों में. मेरा जो मैं मेरी बहू को पिनाई, which I have displayed it at on my Instagram page, वो उसमें ही बना हुआ है.
माशाल्लाह.
तो गोल्ड एंड
रियल गोल्ड एंड सिल्वर.
रियल गोल्ड एंड सिल्वर. तो ये जो चीज है सांचा, इट इज ओनली उसका जो तागा रहता था वो गोल्ड एंड सिल्वर. तो यूजुअली क्या होता था, हमारी मम्मी, हमारी नानी माँ सुनाते थे हमको ये कि जब पहले दावत, वो जमाने में जो सर्वेंट्स रहते थे उन लोगों को कामटन बोलते. तो वो कामटना जो रहते थे उन लोग झाड़ू देते थे. तो जितने भी जो लोग आते थे हम लोग के फैमिलीज में, शादी हो रही, अब ऑब्वियसली रहते, तो उसमें से जो चमकी रहती थी, तारा रहते थे, जो जरदोजी के कामा रहते थे, तो वो भी है सो चांदी सोने के, तो वो गिर जाते थे. तो उन लोग कुप्पे बना लेते थे, बना के दे यूज टू टेक इट टू देयर होम एंड दे यूज टू डिस्ट्रीब्यूट अमंग देमसेल्व्स. तो
आपके घर की धूल भी वैल्यूएबल है.
वी आर प्रिजर्विंग इट. इट्स लाइक दैट. जमाने में हम तो वैसे ही सुने होता था.
सो नाइस, सो नाइस.
दिस इज द एक्चुअल स्टोरीज ऑफ द रॉयल फैमिलीज.
मैम, एक सेंटेंस आप कंप्लीट करिए. द मोस्ट पावरफुल थिंग अ वुमन कैन वेयर इज व्हाट अकॉर्डिंग टू यू? टेक योर टाइम.
I think one of the most powerful thing a woman can wear is her respect, apart from clothes. Because clothes is very, मतलब कपड़े तो सब पहन लेते, लेकिन वो शर्म, वो हया is very important for everyone, for all the women in the world. Money can't buy everything. A little controversy in this, but that's the fact of life. इज्जत नहीं, बहुत कुछ नहीं खरीद सकता पैसे. सिर पे सर की जगह है, चप्पल पैर की जगह है. You cannot put your chappals on your head. You can't put सर पे anywhere else. That is important.
सक्सेस को आप कैसा डिफाइन करेंगे? क्या सिर्फ मॉनेटरी बेनिफिट या सिर्फ पैसे आजकल जैसा हो गया? सक्सेस का मतलब एक ही वर्जन में ले रहे हैं. अगर आज एक बच्ची है, शादी होने के बाद में अगर उन्हें एक होम मेकर बन जा रही बाय चॉइस और बाय फैमिली प्रेशर्स, शी इज नॉट कंसिडरिंग हरसेल्फ सक्सेसफुल. सो व्हाट अकॉर्डिंग टू यू इज सक्सेस फॉर अ वुमन? इज इट जस्ट मनी or what is success?
देखो रेशमा, this is a complete different topic which every girl in the house is facing right now. Because obviously I have two different opinions on this. जब आपके माँ बाप आपको पढ़ा के इतना ambitious बनाते, तो definitely the woman wants to do that. She wants to continue. But again, everything has its own phase, stage, time. Because औरत is made for more different things also. Like उसको घर चलाना है, बच्चे पैदा करना है, उसको अपना घर देखना है. तो पहले you get adjusted to that, then automatically you will get time. बच्चों के बाद दुनिया खत्म नहीं हो जाती. शादी होते ही दुनिया खत्म नहीं हो जाती. First, you have to get that in your mind. But you have to give time to your family, to your children. You should see as a mother कि your children are raised properly, they are educated. Once you are done with all those things, still again, you are not finished yet. As I already told you, you can start from your 40s, 50s, 60s. You can do it.
एक यंग लड़की जो अभी फैशन डिजाइनिंग करके निकली है या इंस्टीट्यूट से बाहर आई है, तो उसके लिए आप क्या एडवाइस क्या देंगे कि व्हाई शुड शी सी दिस पॉडकास्ट, व्हाट knowledge is she gaining from your experience, what
Okay.
advice would you give to her?
I think I'll tell her कि just don't get influenced by other designers.
Okay.
Do be yourself.
Okay.
जो भी करना चाह रहे हैं अपने दिमाग से करो. If you want to do it traditional, go with your, जो everyone, instinct, and follow your great grandmother's patterns. Keep it alive. Don't lose it. And if not, just do it on your own. Nowadays, it's a heavy competition in designer ways and everything. So, copy, I don't think so karna zaruri hai. Just do it on your own. Don't copy anything, because if you do it on your own, very soon you'll reflect it. Ki that's your own signature. So, I feel try to
Be original.
and don't get influenced.
That would be
by
one
anyone.
advice if you would give.
Yes,
Be original
100%.
to
Yes,
succeed.
yes, 100%.
Thank you so much for having us here.
Thank you so much for calling me to your podcast.
Thank you, ma'am.
It was an honor, really. Even I enjoyed a lot.